Hello, I'm Josh. I'm one of the co-founders here at Katto, and I'm stood in the Katto kitchen to announce the winner of our biggest ever giveaway, a full set of Katto knives. But before we do that, just a very quick thank you to everyone who's already subscribed to our channel. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe videos that we've posted so far. And the good news is we've got loads of really great, really delicious recipes to come. Scallop recipes, barbecue recipes, salads, dips, you name it, we've got them coming up, so do stay tuned. But for now, let's find out who the winner is. Make a winner. Congratulations to Tom Mortimer. Well done, Tom. You are the proud owner of a full set of Noah knives. So congratulations, we will get those sent out to you as soon as we possibly can. If you didn't win this time, bad luck, but the good news is we are planning to do more competitions over the next few months. So do keep your eyes peeled. And in the meantime, I really hope that you enjoy our recipe videos. Thanks.